Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to report about repair of normal hand pump in Odisha. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to update online, please click on this link that we uploaded over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So now you have to enter your name, email, mobile number, land phone, mobile number, UID number, consumer number, location, address, select the complaint category. Then you can attach your file, complaint description, and then click on the submit button. So after clicking the submit button, you will receive a complaint number in the pop-up menu immediately after submitting the complaint. And you have to keep those details safe for future verification and reference purpose. After receiving the complaint, the authorities will take necessary action to repair the normal handle. Then there are the required documents and their officer location section provided with the departments and contact details that need to be uploaded for this process. Then in fee section, so you have to be paid as per the authorities request. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us. So we'll get back to you as soon as possible and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.